Hello and welcome to this video brought to you by Smart Edu Hub Mumbai. In today's video, I shall explain to you the unreactive nature of aluminium. Well, if you look at the reactivity series to the right of the screen, you will find that aluminium has a high position compared to most of the metals in the reactivity series like zinc, iron, tin, lead, etc. They're all below aluminium. That means aluminium should be highly reactive, but aluminium is not highly reactive, and you will be surprised to note that aluminium does not react with water, neither does it react with acids. So if it does not react with water, does not react with acids, does it mean that we need to reconsider this position of aluminium in the reactivity series? Is it wrongly placed? Well, nothing like that. The only layer, the reason is because when the surface of a freshly made aluminium is left in the air, there is a thin layer of aluminium oxide that is formed quickly over the surface of aluminium. So if I have to tell you the chemical equation, it would have been aluminium solid. Okay, when it is freshly cut, it reacts with oxygen gas to form aluminium oxide Al2O3, which is a solid. So that means if I have to balance this, it will be 4Al plus 3O2 gives 2Al2O3. Now this layer of aluminium oxide makes it metal resistant. So this makes aluminium metal resistant. So the metal becomes resistant to what? It becomes resistant to corrosion. So it becomes resistant to corrosion. So which metal will it make resistant to corrosion? Obviously aluminium metal. So aluminium oxide makes the metal aluminium resistant to corrosion. And how thick is this layer of aluminium oxide? Well, the layer is just 0.0002 centimeters thick, but it is quite thick enough to make the metal resistant to corrosion. And this is said to be a very tough oxide layer, and this sticks to the surface of aluminium very strongly, and it does not even flake off. Have you ever seen aluminium utensils showing flakes of aluminium oxide? Never. So what happens is, because the layer is very tough and it is quite thick, it prevents the metal from corroding, and this makes the aluminium metal highly unreactive. So this is basically, when we say aluminium metal is unreactive, actually aluminium metal is not unreactive. It is highly reactive, and therefore it already combines with oxygen and forms a corrosion free layer of aluminium oxide. So this layer is already corroded on the top of it, but then it is not possible for the aluminium below this layer of aluminium oxide to be further corroded. So ideally speaking, there is a layer of aluminium oxide Al2O3 covering the entire surface of the metal aluminium, and that is why aluminium seems to be highly unreactive. Well, that's all in today's video on why aluminium is highly unreactive. If you liked watching my video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.